Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Tuesday, October 18th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We are showing 8 valid trade setups for a potential profit of 12 ES ticks. The market opened up this morning at 1195.25, represented by this white dotted line here. From 9:30 until 9:45, we generally do not trade. It's a period of higher volatility. Coming out of 9:45, we did have an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit. I did not take this trade. That's represented in yellow. The trades that I did take are represented with green arrows to the upside, red arrows to the downside. The producer price index came out this morning at 8:30. Producer prices were higher, which puts a little bit of a bearish tone on the market. As we continued on into the morning, we broke above our moving average, had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit and got stopped out for -2 ticks. It hit target 1 several times. If you didn't get filled, and you could have taken a full stop out here, which would have been -16 ticks. And then on our retracement, we had an opportunity to get short and took a full stop out of -16 ticks. In hindsight, these were 2 bad trades. We just had a sell-off, and generally we do not take the signals when we first have a major sell-off. But I did take the trades, and I showed them in the room, and I took them as losses. Shortly thereafter, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 12 ticks. Found resistance here at the opening price, blew through it relatively easy. At 10 o'clock, the housing market index was higher than expected, and that gave fuel to the market to push to the upside. We stayed above our moving average. When we broke through the moving average to the downside, had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out for -2 ticks. We then went into the no trade zone, which is from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, just primarily because it's a period of lower volume and higher volatility. Coming out of the no trade zone, we did find resistance up here at our hourly and Globex range high. Had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out for -2 ticks. Then we realized there was just so much upside pressure. I don't remember what time it was that they said the European nations had come to a conclusion, the Greece bailout, and I guess that fueled even additional move to the upside, and we had an opportunity to get long. Now at 2 o'clock, we generally don't take any long positions when we're at the highs of the day. So I scaled out. I took 4 ticks profit. However, if you had held on, the setup materialized and ended up with 13 ES ticks. Target 1 and target 2 were hit. Then as we broke through our moving average to the downside, had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out for -2 ticks. And this break to the upside really gave us no opportunities whatsoever for pullbacks. We did have some pullbacks here to a couple of our moving averages. Some of the more aggressive traders may have got into these to take them to the upside. And we found their high of the day up there around 1229.75. There was a nice pullback to the moving average, broke through the moving average to the downside, and it continued a heavy sell-off. Retracement found minor resistance, consolidated for a long period of time, broke back through to the upside, took an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 11 ticks. That was right there at about 2:45 to 3, and we were pretty much done for the day. There was a final trade set up here that we did not take. An opportunity to get short right there at around almost 5 minutes to 4 o'clock. That's really a very highly volatile, very risky trade, but target 1 and target 2 were hit on that. We didn't count it. So the yellow ones we did not count. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Shark Den tomorrow.